Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to clear system data on iPhone in iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Offload app under iPhone storage. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, tap iPhone storage. Scroll down, tap Widget, tap Offload app. Solution 2. Remove all website data. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Safari. On the Safari page, scroll down, tap Advanced, tap Website Data. Remove all website data. Again, remove now. Solution number 3. Delete photos. Open the photo app on your iPhone. Tap Album. Scroll down. Tap Recently Deleted. Tap View Album. Enter your passcode. Tap Select Photos and Videos. Tap Delete. Again delete. Solution 4. Remove app. Tap on Send Anywhere app. Tap Remove app. Again delete app. Thanks for watching this video.